Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new, which you most likely are, and if you are, you should definitely hit subscribe. And you should give this a thumbs up beforehand because it's going to be a good video. This week I am going to be documenting all of my outfits for the whole week, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to try to step out of my comfort zone, try some new things, and feel good. So let's get on into it. On this day, I did not say what I was doing, but I had to go to campus and run a bunch of errands, which you'll see like after I show the outfit. But I am wearing some Old Navy jeans, a American Eagle crop turtleneck, and a Calvin Klein rain jacket, as well as some Doc Marten boots.
Go. This one's for you.
This outfit is a pair of plaid American Eagle mom jeans, a airy square neck top, and a vintage camera bag. And I'm wearing this with some Air Force Ones, which you'll see in like the cutaway vlog clip.
If you need it. Look. Late night raindrops on my window. Look. I watch them as they meet up in the middle. I ain't be sleeping lately.
So I'm realizing I didn't actually introduce each outfit for every other day, but today I'm going to. Let's just accept that. So this is the fit. How I feel about it, it's like kind of just like generally just oversized. Got these flare like jeans, and my boots are some sock boots from Call It Spring. I'm going across town to get a new Bluetooth keyboard because mine just stopped working randomly. And then I'm going to go to the mall to get perfume and deodorant because I lost my deodorant somehow as well. This is a purse I'm taking. It's an American Eagle camera bag, and in it I do have a film camera because I'm really trying to take more pictures with it. My wallet, and then anti-diarrhea pills. So okay, let's try this one. So this is the top. It's just a brown crop top. I've got this necklace and then just the same jewelry as every day. Same sweatpants, and then I'm gonna wear my Nike Air Force Ones like I did this last time I wore these pants. And then for my coat, I think I'm gonna wear this leather trench. Has a belt, but it annoyed me the other day, so I took it off. I think this is the vibe. Because today I'm on set directing all day, so I want it to be comfortable, but I want it to look cute, and I think I did it. I'm running late, so quick fit check. The sweater from American Eagle. I meant to layer this over. Typical necklace. Flare jeans, not that you can see. Flare jeans. That's it. I'm gonna check in later because it's the last day of the week anyway.
One eternity later.
Alright, so that was a week in my life in outfits. I really liked the outfits I had this week. A lot of them were outside of my comfort zone because I didn't have my staple like black pair of jeans because they were getting fixed, so I just kind of had to do something different, and I ended up wearing two very snazzy pairs of pants. I rewore them twice, but honestly it's not a big deal. I loved wearing my plaid pants. I loved wearing my corduroy bell-bottom pants. They were amazing. My favorite outfits were these two. Both of them made me feel really confident, and I loved the way, like I just love the way that I felt in them, and I will be re-wearing both those same outfits and different variations of them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This video is really short and sweet, but definitely like a really special one to me because I really like making videos about outfits, but also I have such a hard time feeling confident in my outfits that this really encouraged me to feel pretty and smart and just really good about the way that I looked. So that was really awesome. And yeah, so that's all for this week's video. I hope that you guys enjoy. I'm sorry for missing a couple of uploads. I've been really busy. I got really sick last week, which is why I didn't have a video, and this one is coming late. But yeah, that's kind of my whole excuse. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you want any other kind of fashion, body positive, plus size fashion videos, or have any like recommendations, leave them in the comment below and I will get to them, I promise. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
To see